updating your personal information on Stripe is essential for maintaining accurate account details. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Personal Information or similar. Click on this option to view your current details. Step 4. Edit your information. You will see fields containing your personal information. Click on the Edit button next to the information you wish to update, make the necessary changes, and ensure everything is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in your account. Make sure to review your information periodically to keep it up to date.